Alright, what's up YouTube? So welcome back to another video. The last video was last week. It was kind of outdoors because I had a couple of evacuees in here. But it's all good. They're back at their house. Everything is safe. So thank you. Anyway, sorry about the lighting difference. Because I'm filming this in the morning, the light kind of shines through my window, and so I closed my window. So I apologize if the lighting looks a little rough. But anyway, today's video we're going to talk about the major leak that just occurred with the M4 MacBook Pro. And so this is the 14-inch version. And the reason why this is so important is just because, well, the last time this happened was with the iPhone X, when a guy who is a developer was testing Apple Pay on the iPhone X. His daughter was with him in the Apple lab and basically filmed the whole new design. This is the new design. This is all the specs. This is everything. And basically, when they signed that contract, basically totally broke the contract because she put that video on YouTube. So yeah, sucks for that developer. But the other time that this happened was when the iPhone 4 was released. And what really happened was, that, the guy left it at a bar. And it basically was the iPhone 4, but it looked like sort of the iPhone 3GS, but whenever they teared open the internals, they saw like the new A4 chip, the new design. Basically, they found out everything that the iPhone 4 would have and would rock for the future. Now, is that kind of funny? Yes, that is kind of funny. And so that's why today's video, the MacBook Pro 14-inch M4 has been leaked by many tech YouTubers. Basically saying that, especially Russian YouTubers, because see, Apple cut off shipments to Russia in March of 2022. And so because of that, Apple hasn't shipped anything to Russia. And so what we think is that these were laying in a warehouse in China. You know, they were already built. They were already confirmed. And because they were laying in that warehouse, well, you know, someone must have stole them, or they must have got shipped somewhere wrong, because they ended up in Russia for Russian YouTubers to review. I'll list some names down below. Definitely go check out those videos. They will be listed down below. But what we saw from those videos was that that 16 gigabytes of RAM that we were promised has been confirmed, which is really good considering that some applications such as Final Cut or Blender have been crashing or experiencing issues. The other reason is just because ray tracing works better with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and of course with macOS Sequoia, you got that extra bit of Apple Intelligence. And so what did we see from this launch? Well, we saw with the lid open, it can support two displays. And the best part is that whenever it's closed, I'm assuming that means we can support 3 Thunderbolt displays, because we now have 16 gigabytes of RAM, but we also have 3 Thunderbolt ports now. And that's really good, especially for the consumer that just wants to have multiple displays. Now, what's really cool is that, 3 displays, like you can have your MacBook on one display and then you have 2 externals. Like, that's super cool. And also, we also saw that 10-core CPU from the iPad M4, which is basically 25% faster. And then, of course, that promised 16 gigabytes of RAM. The other thing is that the space black color is expected to come to the 14-inch models, just because, I don't know, Apple finally said we're going to let the Pro 14-inch users use that space black color. To be honest, let me know down below what you think about that space black color. I think that it looks cool whenever you first see it, but whenever you keep using it, it's like a fingerprint magnet. Like, that thing gets so many fingerprints, just like the Midnight MacBook Air. But that's basically your MacBook Pro M4 14-inch leaked. So let me know what you guys think down below. The colors currently on our current M3 MacBooks are the silver and the space gray, just on the 14-inch. But it's good that we're getting a new color. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. If you guys haven't seen the next video, or the last video, I should say, it's up here. Let me know if I should do a video about that new iPad mini. You know, it's finally getting Apple Intelligence and it's finally getting a decent upgrade. So let me know if I should see that down below, and definitely hit that sub button, hit that like button, and ring that bell. That way you don't miss that way, you know, you don't miss a beat. But also, it's cool. Like, I mean, it's cool to do that kind of stuff. Go follow the socials, link down below. And definitely, if you are interested in this whole thing, hit that video down below that links the other YouTubers' hands-on experience with this device. It's your boy Easy Nation, and yeah, we're out of here. So, peace out. I think it's good that Apple finally did something. That's hilarious. Got leaked. At least it wasn't at a bar. The guy went drunk. Yeah.